gonna cry, baby? Because I love gardening. Love it so bad. Love it so, so bad. This is nice. Anyway. I'm lit on the food today, man. Nice. Look, I came out and said I was going to fry the egg. I was going to do sardine. And look, ice spice, rice and peas with the fried vegetable. Very nice. Ice spice. What's up? I'm going to leave you guys. I'm going outside. I'm going to deal with them something there. It's like them come down. Then come down, man. Can I ask you guys, you know vase, is it vase or vase? And the peppercorn make it taste good. Very nice. Well, I don't think I had so much energy before, but since I came on, my energy has lifted. And yeah, them out there, me show the outside. Now what they gonna do with them now? I have some salt in there, so. Them now kill up my plants. Watch me and them. I know where they come from. Look. Man. So, cry baby, I'm gonna go on and sort out the plants them. Now go watch, cover up the, I can't cover. There's an invasion outside, right? Thank you so much. So it was a pleasure and a delight to be in your company today. I hope you can join me some other time. Thank you so much for the support. Thanks to the silent watchers. Thanks to who has come on and pressed the thumbs up. Thanks to all my supporters who has subscribed and who hasn't subscribed. Just a subtle reminder to say it costs nothing to subscribe. It is free to subscribe, to press the button. As long as you have a Google account, and you're able to use. But if you don't have an account and you're not able to subscribe, at least you can watch. So watch, and I'm sure, I don't know if you can comment if you don't subscribe, but anyway, still appreciate the love. Whenever you come here, you have a drink, you have a cup of tea, have something to eat, a slice of cake, you get to walk in the garden, you get to, whatever tickle your fancy, I'm here. You just want to sit down and have a chat, have a glass of water, have some sugar and water, have some juice, have some wine, whatever you want. When you come here, what you see is what you get. Just feel at home. Don't behave like, say, you're too posh. There's no poshness here. We are just a simple, follow me, we just chat. So let me put on my hat to say